Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Naresh and I'm very happy to share with all of you that today we turned to more than 2000 subscribers. Thank you all of you for providing the love and support, and please continue to do so in the future. Today we are going to create this stunning map animation. As in the previous part, we created it without using Geolayer 3, and today we are going to create it with the help of the plugin. So let's jump into it. Okay, so if you have installed Geolayers 3, you can access it from Window, Extension, click Geolayers 3. So it will open as a new window here, and from here you can drag and undock it and move it to another screen in case you have another monitor attached. Else you can keep it here only. We are not going to create a new composition like we usually do, but here in Geolayers we start with creating a new project and it will create a new map comp for us. Click a new project and it will open this. So suppose this is the area of interest in this world map. This is the settings 9020 by 1080. You can change the FPS and duration as well. We are keeping 30 seconds. Click next. Once you click next, you can choose from the different styles for the map. So let us select this style, binge aerial. You can select a different style from here like roads, hybrid and so on. Click apply. So once you select the style and click create, it will create a map composition. You can see that here in your project. Suppose you want to change the current view, go to Geolayers and it is connected with the comp through this link. If you unlink this, it will not affect our map comp. So if I change the view here, it will be reflected in my composition. So we can set our view from here, however we want. You can reset your view from here by clicking this icon. You can hold the control key and move and rotate your map like this, and it will also change in your map composition. Now if I unlink this and change the map like this, it will not change in map comp C. So if you want to reset, just click this icon. Let us again link it. And this is the position from where we will start our animation. Now how to add a country or state here? It is very easy. Search here like India and move your cursor here. So you can see that it is getting highlighted. Now you can click on this icon and add it to the browser. So it has been added here. Now select it and from here click on the draw feature. You can see it in your composition here and it has added a shape file. Of course it is an international map with disputed boundaries. They always show like that only. So let me delete this. So instead I am going to add this geojason file for our country. Click here and import the file. Select the file I have given in the link and click OK. So this is the complete map of sovereign India. Now expand this, select this and again click on the draw feature. So it has added this shape file. Alright, just like that we can add other layers like states. So let us search for Karnataka. This is the Indian state we want to add. Select it and click the draw feature. So this shape file has been added. Similarly, let us add Tamil Nadu, Telangana, West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh files. So we have added all the states and now we are ready to go ahead. Click on finalize. So we have these various shape files added over here. Let us change the color from here. For India, it is easy as it is a shape. We can change color from here. Something like this. Use this color code. Let us lower the transparency to around 80 or so. Okay, use this color code respectively for the rest of the state shapes. Alright, so we have done some basic stuff. Now how to get rid of these labels on the map? So go to Geolayers, click on this menu, click on this setting icon, stay in the Geolayers window, click here and it's done. From these settings you can customize various things. So the labels are now no longer displayed. We will first animate our map completely and then do the rest of the things. So we will first add a keyframe. So to add a keyframe, go to Geolayers and click on this keyframe icon. It will activate the keyframe. Click it, so it has added the first keyframes. So move your playhead to 4 seconds. Go to Geolayers window, zoom, check back here. Adjust as per your need. Use the control key to hold and rotate it and to tilt slightly. Okay, so this is good. Move to 8 seconds, rotate it further and hold the control key to tilt it horizontally. Zoom it. Okay, great. Again move to 10 seconds, zoom and tilt a little more. So if you have followed my previous tutorial, then you will be convinced of how easy and convenient it is with the Geolayers 3 plugin. Okay, then 12 seconds or so we get back to our initial view. To do that, you can copy and paste the initial keyframes or click on this reset icon and set it manually. So this is how it should go. Now move to 16 seconds and zoom to our state here, UP, adjust it. Move to 24 seconds and completely tilt the map holding the control key. Also zoom and adjust the position. Let us play it. So this is how our basic map movement will be there. So if you look at the speed graph for these keyframes, it has already been applied the speed adjustment for the smooth movements. Now let us add the city labels. Okay, so go to the Geolayers window and first unlink by clicking this, so it will not disturb our basic animation. So remember this, it will waste a lot of our time resetting it again and again. Okay, so for labels, this is the labels available by default, how it will look. If you want to see them, go to Geolayers item here and double click the label template to check it. Okay, so we will use this first style, and first I will add the Bengaluru city label. So go to Geolayers and search for the Bengaluru city. We have this, look for the dot for the location. Just click the labels icon and it will add the label. If you select this and go to effects control, you can check these options like scale, rotate and rotate along with the path. So a lot of customization we are getting here. You can scale it down if you want. So after it appears, we can add the circle at the base and make it pulsate. So open the label comp and select the ellipse tool and add the circle by holding the shift key. Change the color to red. Change the order here at last. We can animate the scale by adding the keyframes to it 2 seconds apart. Press F9 to easy ease. Change the speed graph like this. Now keep holding the Option or Alt key and click on the stopwatch icon to add the expression and type the loop out expression. So it will have this loop. Now convert it to 3D and slightly rotate the x-axis. So it will be like a 3D plane. Also scale it down, we don't want it that big. So we can add the rest of the labels just like we did. Let us now add the text to this state shape. So select the text and write your text here. Adjust size, color and font however you want. Alright, now while the text is selected, draw a curved line like this. Now go to the text, path option and select mask 1 and click on this reverse path. Alright, now adjust the size and position. Move the text over here, convert it to 3D and parent it to world map com anchor. Now adjust the text using the XYZ handles. It should close to our map layer. Alright, now it's look perfect. Now add text preset from effects and presets named opacity flickering. Now if you want, you can modify it. Go to text, flicker in, range selector and advanced option. Turn off random order. Alright, we don't need this later animation keyframes, so we can get rid of it. Spread this out by keep holding Alt or Option key. Now let us add other text here. Adjust the size, position, etc. Convert it to 3D and parent it with world map comp anchor. And adjust the axis just like we did before. Text is floating during the animation. That means it is not close to the layer beneath. So adjust its position. Similarly, add other city labels. Copy and paste the circle. We don't have all the shape together at the start of the animation. So let us do that. Before that, let's add the text here, India, and adjust the size and position, etc. Convert it to 3D and parent it with world map com. So initially we have this Karnataka shape. So what we can do, copy the flicker animation, this frame, and paste it to this layer. Also move the position of the city labels as per their order of appearance. Add opacity keyframes to other states as well. If you face any difficulty, refer to the project file. You can use default text presets like typewriter effect, fade in, etc. Also don't forget to check the 3 control for city labels. So now you can finish the rest of the animation by adding the city labels and text. So it will look like this. Finally, we can add new adjustment layer and rename it as Gaussian. Select ellipse tool and double click it. Add Gaussian blur effect, increase the value. Invert the mask, go to mask and increase the mask value. Duplicate the adjustment layer, rename it vignette and delete Gaussian blur effect and add vignette effect. And final product will look like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to leave us like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.